Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's thrifting adventure. My name is Jessica, in case you happen to be new here to my channel. Today I am thrifting in Goodwill, and I did find one item to bring home with me on today's trip, and I will share with you what I purchased at the end of the video. In case you are new here to my channel, I mainly go thrifting for home decor and things that me and my family can use. So that's what you'll see here on my channel. I do have a playlist here at the top of the screen. It's all the thrifting videos that I have done so far in 2021. So definitely check them out if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, let me know what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I always enjoy reading everybody's answers down in the comments. So I came across this gorgeous little piece of blue and white Mexican pottery, so I thought I would share it with you guys. It was only $3.99. And then as I was walking down the aisle a little bit, I noticed another piece that was the exact same pattern. It was a little tray of some sort, and it was $1.99. I also really loved this tall glass pitcher that I came across. The shape was really interesting and I loved the handle, and I thought it was a pretty good deal at only $2.49. I came across a few different teapots on today's trip, and you will see them over the next few clips. I thought this bumblebee one right here was just adorable. So I have lived in the South in North Carolina all of my life, and I realized that I don't say y'all that often. And let me know down in the comments if you think I have a southern accent. I'd be curious to know. So anytime I see a little box like this, I have to open it up to see what's inside because you never know. Inside were these little marble wine stoppers, and I thought they were pretty cool. They were only $3.99 for the set. So I thought this little piano music box was a really beautiful little find. It was made by Lefton in 1996 and it was in good working condition. And here is a clip of the song that it played. And the last item that I wanted to share with you before I show you what I purchased today is this vintage projector. It was still in the box. And just curious, anybody watching have this one right here? So the only thing that I found for myself today was that Primula flowering teapot kit. It was brand new in the box for only $3.99. It came with everything that you see here, including 12 bags of flowering tea. It also came with the infuser to put loose leaf tea in. And what's funny is I used to have this exact same teapot. I thrifted it several months ago. About a month ago or so, I did break it. I was washing it and I didn't have a good grip on it and it fell in the sink and shattered. I do still have the infuser portion of the teapot, so now I have two. I'm not sure how old the tea is or if it's expired or not, so I'm going to compost it. But before I throw them out, I just wanted to share with you guys one of the tea bags on camera, just in case you've never seen flowering tea before. It's really cool. I think I'm gonna buy some on Amazon because I've personally wanted some myself. So here is what the tea looks like as the flower starts to bloom. So the flower definitely wasn't as vibrant as what the one on the packaging looked like, so I'm thinking it may be expired. It did smell really good. It smelled exactly like jasmine. And I will be leaving a few links down in my description box. I did happen to find this teapot online on Amazon, and I will also link a few flowering teas that I'm going to purchase for myself in case you are looking to get some for yourself as well. So that is everything that I found on today's thrifting trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting. You never know what you're going to find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.